If you go to the official X account, that is the official Twitter account of Cats at cats_telegram, you will see that exactly 1 week ago, they tweeted, Cats TGE will be in September, coming soon. What is TGE, you may ask? It simply means Token Generation Event, which is a business act that involves the technical generation of a token in a blockchain network within a limited amount of time. However, if you log into your Cats account on Telegram right now, you will see that the first task required is for miners or airdroppers to make a ton transaction in order to get an extra 2,000 Cats. Now my question is, do all these airdrops asking for ton transaction realize that some of our miners or farmers can actually not afford those fees? And do they also realize that a high percentage of their miners still have doubts on whether they are going to list or not? Now for me, all I can say is this: if you can afford the ton transactions, you can go ahead and do it. But if you can't afford it, just keep doing your farming and pray that these airdrops don't make it compulsory that making a ton transaction is a must for you to participate in their airdrop. So in this video, I'll do a practical on how to make a ton transaction on Cats and gain an extra 2,000 Cats. Now let's get started. So this is Cats right here, and if you don't know how I got here, kindly use the link showing on your screen right now. Okay, it is case sensitive. Where there is small letters, put small letters. Where there is capital letters, use capital letter. Okay. So right now you can see the first thing we saw here is what? Make a ton transaction. Okay, yes. And before you click on this place, first thing you're going to do is what? Is to get ready either your Tonekeeper or your wallet in Telegram or your BITGET. Okay, you can either use Tonekeeper. This is Tonekeeper right here. Okay, or you can use BITGET wallet. This is BITGET wallet. Look at it right here. Okay, not BITGET, BITGET wallet. Okay, and I've set up my BITGET wallet. This is not hard. Just go to Play Store, App Store, and download BITGET wallet. Okay, and then when you are done, come down to this wallet right here, and you will see your assets. Okay, so you can see here you can deposit either USDT or ton. Okay, I have about $25, but you don't need up to $25 for this. Okay, not at all. Now let us go here and then let us see the amount they're asking of, and this is it. We come here, this ton transaction. I click on it, and it's saying what? Confirm the transaction in BITGET wallet. It only takes a moment. So I click on what? Open wallet. Do you want to open? I click on yes. And you can see that it is what? Asking for what? 0.20 ton. Okay, yes. And you can also see the gas fees. So the first thing I'm going to do now is what? Let us go and know the exact amount that this is in dollars. Okay, so I click on this, I close it. And if you want to know how I got ton, you might be asking, how do I get ton into this place? How do you even get money inside this place? How did you deposit here? It is not hard. Once you click on wallet right here, click on USDT and click on receiving, and from here you will send your USDT to this place. Please take notes, this is USDT ton. It is not the blockchain is ton. It is not USDT TRC20. It is not USDT BEP20. When you are sending USDT, select the ton blockchain. That is only when you can deposit it and it will enter this address. If you deposit with another blockchain, you are going to lose your coins. So you copy this and you send USDT to it. You can send either from Bybit or from Binance or whatever. If you don't know how to buy USDT, you can actually ask your neighbor. Almost everybody knows how to buy USDT right now, so it's not hard. Buy USDT via P2P, send to this place. And then when you've sent USDT to this place, come back to USDT and click on swap. Okay, and then you swap your USDT to ton. Okay, right now they are asking for 0.2 tons. So if I put, let's move this, let's change the direction, and I put 0.2 right here, you can see that the amount is what? 1.0, just about less than 1.1. Okay, about $1.1, 1.1 USDT. You can see it, about 1.1 USDT. Okay, with gas fees, 1.1 or less. Okay, so that's just $1, $1.1. So what I'm going to do right now is what? You see, I didn't complete this, so let us go again. I just wanted to show you the exact amount. So when you click here, you click on what? Open wallet, and I click on yes. And it's going to ask me what? To confirm or cancel, so I click on confirm. You can see successful. you can see it has gone successfully. And you can see right now that I now have what, 14,000 cards. Okay, I may not have gotten here, but I had 12,000 cards before, and I have what, 14,000 cards. You can see it's successful. You can see it. So this is just as simple as how you can perform a ton transaction on cards and how you can actually make extra 2,000 cards. Yes, life and the rest. Now, another thing you can also do is that what, there are still ways that you can make rewards. You can make rewards by invitation, by rewards, and by tax. Okay, you can see me, invitation is even, invite is the least way I've made, invite is the least way I've actually made money on cards, but I made more from tax, okay, and rewards. And how do you perform those tax? Scroll up. When you come to this place, click on what? Show more tax, okay? And you can start doing all of these tax. You can see it, all of these tax, you can see it. So when you scroll down and then you can what? Start performing all these tasks, okay? Yes, you can start performing all these tasks. You can see it. Join major community on YouTube. You can click open to get extra 50 cards. Okay, I click on subscribe. Okay, it's as simple as that. And then I go back, okay, and I click on what? Check. Okay, you can see it right here. Join major community on YouTube. You can see it right here. So you can see, so it has been checked good. So meaning that what, 50 cards has been added. Okay. So it is just as simple as that, okay? From your friends right here, you can get your referral link. You can actually get a referral link from here and refer people and earn more cards, okay? And from leaderboard here, you can see how long you are doing, how well you are doing. You can see there are 30 million and 22,004 holders. 30 million, 22,004 holders of cards, okay? And you can see right here that my number is what? 39,000 something. This is a very high number, even though I have just 14,000 cards. Okay, imagine 30 million people, and I'm within the top 15,000 out of 30 million holders. Okay, so join cards right now. And I actually love this kind of airdrops that doesn't have a lot of numbers. The ones that have very small numbers like this. Okay, the ones that have billions and millions of numbers. I don't know why I usually feel a little bit uncomfortable, but well, we do it. They still list, they still get listed. And another thing you can also do is what, before you start, please scroll down and you can see your wallet right here. From here, you can connect and disconnect your wallet, okay? So that is how it works. Now, if you're not yet mining Blum, I made previous videos on Blum. Blum is the next dogs, is the next Notcoin. So I recommend you start mining Blum right now. So if you've not done that, I made a video on that, and the link to that video is showing on the screen right now. It can either be here or here, okay? So you can watch it from there, or you can still find the link to that video in my YouTube video description, okay? Join my Telegram channel. The link to will be in my YouTube video description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.